Ryan, come in, Ryan.
You guys, look at what my dog does when I talk in a different voice.
Hey Rex, what are you doing? What are you doing, doggy? Hey, come here there, doggy. Come here, doggy. I'm definitely a man. Girl. Oh my god, wait. Stuff's available.
And then they don't show up, and it's really frustrating. And Jackie, are you even paying attention to me?
Well, I'm talking to her. Jackie, I'm talking to you. I'm saying that it's a pain in the butt.
Yeah, but Jackie, you need to pay attention to me because they didn't show up. I went all the way to Walmart and they didn't even
Jackie,
meet me.
it's my stuff that I'm selling. Okay, it's my dresser.
Jackie,
it's my Xbox.
Jackie,
don't
listen to me.
her.
Listen
Jackie,
to me when I'm talking to you.
Jackie, listen to me. I'm talking to you. You're a good girl. You just need to listen to me because I'm talking to you about Facebook Marketplace.
Jackie, if you listen to me, I'll take you for a walk.
Oh, that's not.
Hey, I thought you said it was on site.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look